animation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of run cycle animation and how it brings characters to life on the screen. Man running clapperboard. Let's kick things off with a fascinating fact. Did you know that run cycle animation is crucial for creating believable and engaging character movements in animations? It's the key to making characters feel real and relatable to the audience. Now, let's talk about run cycle animation. This technique is essential in animating a character running seamlessly across the screen. From the timing of each step to the fluidity of movement, run cycle animation plays a vital role in capturing the essence of a character's personality and emotions. Animating a realistic run cycle that effectively conveys a character's emotions and personality is no easy feat. It involves a myriad of complexities, from mastering timing and weight distribution to perfecting posing techniques. Each element must harmonize to create a believable and engaging run cycle. As we delve deeper into the world of run cycle animation, let's explore the key principles that underpin this technique. Timing is crucial in ensuring the character's movements flow naturally, while weight distribution adds realism and depth to the animation. Posing techniques, on the other hand, help convey the character's unique traits and emotions. Now, let's get to the highlight of today's video, a breakdown of a run cycle animation scene. We'll dissect how subtle changes in the character's movements can convey different emotions and personality traits. It's incredible how small adjustments can have a significant impact on the overall portrayal of a character. To wrap things up, let's emphasize the importance of attention to detail in run cycle animation. Every movement, every pose, and every nuance matters in enhancing the storytelling and bringing characters to life. It's the intricate details that elevate an animation from good to exceptional. Before we wrap up, I want to challenge you to try creating your own run cycle animations. Share your work in the comments section below for feedback and to engage with a community of fellow animation enthusiasts. Let's inspire each other to push the boundaries of creativity in animation. That's a wrap for today's video on run cycle animation. Remember, the magic is in the details, so keep refining your skills and experimenting with different techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Movie camera.